In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to get Jet Striker Depot in Roblox. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to acquire Oath Jet Striker. This is one of the 14 obtainable Oaths in Deepwoken. It is highly praised for its fluentness and agility. So in this video, I'm going to go over the requirements. First, to start, make sure that you have at least 50 agility. You will need this before anything else and before you can actually undergo the challenge to acquire this oath. So get 50 agility to start, and now you will be able to talk to Illyrian at Minithirsa Frozen Pond, far past the rogue construct beyond the bridge and to the left ridge. So once you find this NPC, Illyrian, you will be able to beat them in a race. So to get this oath, you will have to beat Illyrian in a race to a specific point that is marked with a yellow marker. This can be easily done if you have the current agility of 50 or even more. The ability to scale high walls along the course will also help. Wait below the yellow marker. Beating her, then walking towards her counts as you losing, so it's best to just wait until she stops at the marker as well. So once she arrives at the marker, as long as you arrive before her, you will be able to beat her in a race and acquire the oath. The oath does not become locked after breaking it at Yunshu. Now you will be able to find 5 orbs scattered across E3 and Luminant to get the progression of this oath. This can be done in any order, and after you acquire all of these, you will be able to progress the oath Jet Striker. So beat Illyrian in your race and you will be able to use it. I hope I was able to help you on how to get Jet Striker Depot in Roblox. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.